What's going on, all you beautiful human beings out there? I just wanted to get on here and talk about my Traumapak from High Threat Innovations. You can go on highthreatinnovations.com, or you can go on Instagram, Traumapak. That's Traumapak. There's no C in the pack. So anyway, I wanted to talk about the pack itself. Now, they come with many different styles. This one is actually the EMS style, so this one's set up for more of higher situations like mass shootings or a multi-car accident, things like that. So this is loaded with not regular civilian everyday carrier stuff. But I will be having a video coming out with this pack civilianized, basically, so everything that a civilian should carry on them for their everyday need. But regardless, I want to talk about the pack real quick. So the pack is actually made by Condor, and it's a great pack. It's very sturdy. It's double stitched. It's got a couple different features. Let me go over. So my first feature is this little red tag here. If you guys get a pack with a little red tag here, what this little red tag is, you set it up on the outside, and if you need to get to this pack quickly, you can pull on that red tab and you can automatically open that pack. So red tag out means pack open quick. I also want to talk about, it's a rip away pouch. So say this is stored on like a headrest or somewhere stationary. You can actually take the pouch off from the stationary position and rip it right off and use it as you need it. Also, it has, as always, a Ifak pouch. It's got a MOLLE system on it. It's got the MOLLE straps for a MOLLE system. It's just a wonderful, piece of equipment, and I think everybody should have an Ifak kit. Just not this one in particular, what this one is packed with is, like I said, more of your EMS personnel. But I am going to make a video on a civilian one, what you should carry if you're just a regular person just trying to be safe out there and have everything you need for whatever job you do. If you have a dangerous job and you always have to have some kind of boo-boo kit, for lack of better terms, on you, we'll go over that. So I'll have a civilian one coming out. I'll pack all this with civilian equipment. Well, I shouldn't say civilian equipment, but what a civilian should pack into their Ifak pouch. So, other than that, go check out Traumapak on Instagram or highthreatinnovations.com, and you can actually get a civilian Ifak pouch. They have all kinds. They have intermediate, advanced, law enforcement, EMS, military, and they got a bunch of stuff, and they sell everything that's inside here separate. So if you wanted to get a tourniquet separate, or if you wanted to get quick clot separate, you can get that on their website. So go check them out, highthreatinnovations.com or Traumapak, right there. That at Traumapak, you can go right to their website. So that's basically what I want to talk about, and I'm coming out with a video on what's actually in here as an EMS style Ifak pouch and what should be in here for civilians. So thank you guys, and as always, stay safe, be prepared, and stay vigilant. Thank you.